off at the British Airways lounge and missed our flight to Rome. So we had to rebook it, so we're still sitting here for a little bit, but a little hour and a half or so. Walk around the streets of London and tell me how freaking cool this is. Look at this car. It's a Rolls Royce with the license plate I Spy. Wonder if James Bond is in town. Last time we were on this bus, we almost seen 4 people get run over by this double-decker. They barely escaped with their lives. Tourists. Off with their heads. It's kind of fun. I could just sit up there all day and watch people almost get run over by a double-decker bus. Detour, there we go. Let this guy pass. It's a cool little street. This is the elevator. It's crazy.
Did you get the doors? Got that door shut. Interior door shut. Or was it T?
I made it. Woo. That is up there.
Noi del Sud parliamo a voce alta, si sa, noi del Sud facciamo discussione imposta.